This is the Tri-Circle D Ranch at Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground. Really a beautiful facility. Free to come in and see the horses. If you're staying at Fort Wilderness, it's obviously on the grounds. If not, it's an easy boat ride from the Magic Kingdom. Just hop on the Fort Wilderness Campground boat, and it's a short walk from the docks. You can come in and see the horses. You can ride horses or go for a pony ride for children. It's a very large facility. Most of it is roped off. All straight ahead is not accessible. At least not now. This is the pony rides area. Very large area. Parents or guardians walk around with the pony and the child.